Back to this YouTube channel, Maris Tech. This is a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up TRV Tunnel VPN in all our countries for a fast connection, a secure connection, and a stable connection. So, if you're new on this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend, and in case you get any problem while I set up, kindly let me know in the comment section, or you can text me on WhatsApp. I'll be guiding you through each and everything concerning this application. So we're going to first open Google Play Store application. Once you open our Google Play Store application, you're going to search for this application, TRV Tunnel VPN. Now keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. So once you search for TRV Tunnel VPN proxy application, you're going to download it, and then after open it. Now once you open this application, you're going to wait for it to load, and as you subscribe, share this tutorial to your friend. Don't forget to drop a like, and any problem, let me know in the comment section or text me on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is in the bio. So you're going to check OK to the notice. Join the Telegram channel to keep up with the important updates. And now the first step, you're going to come right here and then check this option which is update. And then once you check update, you're going to wait for it to establish to update the fastest servers that will be working in all countries. Secondly, after updating the servers, you're going to come where you see auto select server, and then once you tap auto select server, you're going to be seeing a list of those fastest servers in this application. Now, of these servers, I can recommend you to choose a server that is near to your country's location, or a server that is your country's location. But if you're not able to spot out that server, kindly let me know in the comment section. I'll be guiding you through which server to choose. Or if you don't want to face such connection issues, unstable connections, and unfast connection, you can tip in the auto select server like this. Then lastly, you're going to come where you see all country, and then if you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, or if you have a running data bundle on your SIM card, you can use this first server, all country Wi-Fi and data. Make sure that before using that, you have a running data bundle on your SIM card, or you are connected to a Wi-Fi. But if you're not connected to a Wi-Fi, you want just to use a stable internet, you're going to scroll down and look for your country's network, or your country's network, particularly your country's network. Once you choose your country's network, you'll be able to connect. But I have a fastest network right here in this application. If your country supports the UDP protocol, kindly connect to any of those network. But you can search and then type UDP. Once you search UDP, you're going to come and connect to this one, all country network UDP. It is the Universal Datagram Protocol. This one will unlock a fast connection and a secure internet on your device. After, you're going to come and tap right here. Then you'll be able to check OK. Then by allowing that, you will connect successfully and then access a secure internet. Let me know in the comment section which device you are using. Let me know in the comment section which country you are from. Let me know in the comment section which network are you using, so that I can plan for the next tutorial. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Maris Tech, and I sign out.